Hi guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, let's discuss about Motorola's mid-range smartphone launched in Indian market yesterday. Moto has collapsed after it's acquired by Lenovo. But nowadays, Moto is launching smartphones very frequently with good specifications and value for money smartphones in different series. Moto has also launching flagship smartphones like Moto X30 with the latest technologies in the market in the most affordable prices. Yesterday, Moto has launched Moto G82 smartphone targeting youth with good processor, cameras and battery under 20,000 rupees price range. So let's discuss about Moto G82 smartphone in this video. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Let's start with the build of Moto G82. Moto G82 is the thinnest and lightest 5G smartphone in the segment, which is made of plastic body and plastic rails, but it looks like glass because of its texture finish coating above the plastic in the back. It comes in two color variants, namely grey and white colors. It comes with dual stereo speakers, one is a bottom firing and the other is earpiece located, with Dolby support too. In the right, it has power key and volume rockers. In the left, it has triple card slot, SIM tray, and it also IP52 splash and dust resistant, which is missing in a lot of mid-range smartphones nowadays. So overall, it's a 4 out of 5 rated build. Let's move to the display. Motorola offering an extreme quality display in budget smartphones too. We have seen Moto G52 came with a POLED 10-bit color supported panel with punchier colors, good contrast and deeper blacks. The Motorola G82 also supports the same display as G52. The display comes with 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate, which helps in gaming and smooth scrolling in the UI. It comes with 900 nits of peak brightness with DC dimming support and 100% scope of color gamut support with YouTube HDR support and Wide1 L1 support. Can play 1080p videos in OTT supported platforms like Amazon Prime and Netflix. So overall, it's a 4 out of 5 rated display. So let's move to the performance. Motorola haven't compromised in the performance perspective too. How comes? With a mid-range powerful processor from Qualcomm, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G. 695 is a much powerful than the 7 series chipsets like 730, 730G and 750G. 695 is much capable of handling day-to-day tasks and also games like PUBG, Call of Duty in 60 frames per second without any hiccups. We have already seen this chipset in iQOO Z6. It provides a sustained performance without any heating issues. It's paired with LPDDR4X RAM and eMCP storage, which is equal to UFS 2.2 storage type read and write speeds. Overall, it's a good performance-centric smartphone. For gaming lovers, this chipset can handle demanding titles like PUBG in smooth graphics, extreme frame rates, and HDR graphics in ultra frame rates. And in COD Mobile, it supports 60 FPS gameplay without any frame drops. Let's move to the most interesting and hyped features in this smartphone, that is its cameras. Let's deep into it. Moto G82 comes with a triple camera setup in the back. The main sensor, Samsung's 50 megapixel sensor, which is optically stabilized lens, which can shoot steady pictures and videos, even in the low light situations too. Because of OIS, the image will be steady and less noisy. We have to appreciate Motorola in this on bringing OIS under 20k price segment. The second sensor is an 8 megapixel ultra wide and the 2 megapixel depth sensor. By using main sensor, we can record videos up to 4K 30 frames per second, and by using a wide angle camera, we can record 1080p 30 fps videos. Coming to front, it comes with a 16 megapixel sensor which can shoot video up to 1080p 30 frames per second. If we talk about the connectivity, Moto comes with dual band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, 5G with 13 bands and 4G plus carrier aggregation. If we talk about the software, Moto G82 comes with Android 12 out of the box and Moto has already promised that it will provide 2 years of Android updates, major Android updates and as well security updates. Let's move to the battery. Moto G82 packed with 5000 mAh battery and it supports 30 watt turbo charging. So guys, with this we come to an end of this video. If you enjoy watching our video, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified for the further videos. Thank you.